Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am at the north Moat of Angkor. Today, I and my niece will try to take a motorbike following this path to one of the hidden temples in the jungles at the north corner of Angkor. If you watch our last videos, my niece and I tried to went there last time, but we didn't make it because it was on a marathon day. Every road were closed, so we didn't make it. So today we're going to try to see what is there and how the temple look like. If you ask me, I don't know really how the temple is look like, what the structures and what is the styles. I just checked on the Google map and they show me it was a tiny hidden temple in the jungles and it looked interesting. So today we're going to try and see how it look like. Let's go with me and enjoy with our ride. Look at the moat of the temple, guys. It's so beautiful and huge. It is about 1.5 kilometers. Diving into the jungle. I don't know exactly where the temple is. I just checked on the Google map and it showed me to keep following this trail. Ooh, it looks like we cannot driving our motorbike any longer. We have to park our motorbike here. And right, we will walk to the temple. Can you give me the key?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Right up. Yeah.
I feel like I don't want a car.
It's okay. Come on. Right. So we're gonna drop our motorbike here, and that is. You could feel that we are now in the jungle, so we will walk through this way.
But I feel like this way doesn't go to the temple. I see another way.
Where?
Wait, I forgot to take my helmet. Can you?
Okay, go there.
We're here.
Okay, I will wait you. Okay, I will wait my niece. She forgot to leave her helmet at the motorbike. Yeah, so now we try to walk to the jungle. I will check my phone where exactly the temple is.
I feel like they just want to come here.
Right. Look through the map. We are so close, so you can feel that. So I think this is the direction. Okay, I will keep walking this way.
Can you hold my
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Listen to the sounds of the birds and everything. This is so peaceful. If you're really adventurous and you wish to try, yeah, you can. If you come to Siem Reap, you can contact me. I'm really happy to show you the way to this temple. This is my first time as well.
No, we have two
What?
way. Two-way. We cannot.
Two-way?
Yeah, we have.
Look at here, is like the road is much wider in the jungle.
How about that side?
Yeah, I think maybe we come to the wrong direction. I'm not sure.
Why you didn't look location instead?
I don't know. We try to check. Okay, it was almost there. If you look to the map.
Oh, wait. Oh,
I think I come to the wrong way. If maybe get outside, I will try to find another way that it's much easier. But look at that, guys. So beautiful.
Yeah, just like
walking in the jungle.
I like this day so much.
You like that day so much?
Yeah, it's so fresh and beautiful.
Woo.
But I brought my shoe to play.
Why you bring your shoe to play here?
I want to make the country. But I cannot walk on back you. I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. We are going to be okay.
Okay. I wish this way.
Okay. Look around. We have two way now. Go straight and turn right. Let me check my Google Maps again. Not sure.
Because he doesn't know the way.
Okay. I think maybe this one. So we're gonna walk inside here. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at the trees. Look at the root and everything here. The spine. It's so nice. We found it. Dalika, we found the hidden temples.
Wow, why
Okay.
are you so alone?
Yeah, here is the name of the temple. This is the west entrance, Prasad Kabalbora.
Ooh.
This the mid 10th century temples. Okay, at the west entrance. It is deep in the jungle. You look around here. Nobody here. It is completely left
Quiet.
behind. Look at the trees, huge tree around here.
Wait.
It is nice.
I feel like this temple is so amazing. But I never come. It's at Siem Reap alone.
Yeah, you never come here. I never come here either. This is my first time in the jungle.
Yeah, like me too. I want to come in the jungle.
Oh, look at the spider, Dalika. Look at the spiders.
Oh, spider.
Wow, this is so huge. Look at the web of the spider. This is completely in the jungle, huh?
Yeah, I know. Where is the temple? It's a reindeer. Some small
Reindeer?
animal. I feel like I'm scared.
It's okay. You see an animal? What animal?
I feel like it's like a reindeer.
Wow, my niece spot some like animal that live around here. It just ran away when we walk inside the temple. Now we try to figure out where is the temple is. I think, oh, over there I could feel the structures. Oh my God, guys, look at that.
I feel like you doesn't see. I thought it was a dog.
Maybe it's a dog.
Not a dog. I see they have.
Wow,
horns.
guys, this is so amazing. This is, look at the structure here. Wow, most of the everything was collapsed. Wow, look at the spiders.
Oh, not again.
Huh,
Why is care
it's
for the
huge.
spiders?
Wow, look at that. Wow, most everything here is collapsed. Just only the main structure still exists here. Look at that.
Oh,
This is some structures. Wow, it's so green and okay. Hey, smile. Okay, this is only the structure that is still remaining in this temple. Look at that. Everything just collapsed, but it's still nice. You could feel some structure there. You can feel that. Oof. Oh my God. Yeah, my niece is keep playing her cube. What did you see at the moment, Dalika? You see a reindeer?
The moment that I walked, and
Uh-huh.
then I thought it was a dog and some animal that have horn. I think that's a reindeer.
Okay.
I think
Oh, look at this guy. Dalika, I found something. Look at this pedestal. Wow, this is must be the linga of Shiva, and this is only the bottom part. It is called Uni. It is a female part, and the male part is gone already. So I guess this is the Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. Dalika, come here.
what's mean Shiva?
Shiva is a god in Hinduism, and he is the god of destruction.
I know Hindu. I was read that story.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look at everything there. Wow, it is still left in the jungle behind that. Oh my God.
I think like when I
Ooh.
exam, I was read that story.
My God. I think this temple is built by brick. It's most likely, if you check it here, this is not a stone. This is a brick actually. But look at that, guys.
Why is it
Wow,
brick? I was a frog.
so nice. Oh, look at what hole is that? Wow, I don't know. I'm not going to discover that. And there is, we have a small pedestal, but it's gone. Whew. Wow, this is another one that is leading the path to the jungle, and we found something that left behind here.
I know.
Do you know where's that?
I don't know.
This is also the pedestal of Shivas again, and this is the female part, and the male part is gone.
Why?
Wow, look at around this here is so nice, guys. Even though most of the structures is gone, but I would recommend you to come to discover what is really deep inside of the Siem Reap jungle. And this is just an example that probably there are more hidden temples in the jungle that we haven't discovered, or some has been discovered but it was left behind. Nobody go to visit. And I love to explore things like that. Do you like that, Dalika?
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
She really interested in playing her cube. She doesn't care about the temple today.
But I feel like I scared again.
Why?
I scared.
Don't be scared. I'm here with you, huh?
But you have to hold my hand first and I will not scared.
It's okay. You can walk close to me. We will try.
We promise I will.
Woo. Look at that, guys. We're gonna walk here a little bit to see what is left here.
No.
Wow. Wow, there's a huge tree fall down. I think it's because of the wind.
Everybody says this temple might have a lot of trash, but this I think come only doesn't have trash here.
There's nobody come to the temple, that's why. It should be, do you think it's good that people throwing the trash at the temple?
No.
So what should you do?
We have to I don't know, I just think.
You already play the cube, so you don't concentrate. Okay, guys, that's it for this temple, and I hope you like it for this temple so far. We will try to walk back and get into our motorbike. So, yeah, let's see you at the outside. Bye.